If the literature being read to the child isn't entertaining to the parent, throw it away.
Children's literature can be meaningful and compelling to us. One of the reasons why we read these great stories to children is to prepare their minds to receive truth. It is important that these stories have these moral truths about goodness. And the moral imagination is not just being formed in children, it's being formed in all of us.
The good children's literature, the great C.S. Lewis argues and others argue, is also really good for adults. Adults should not only remember their childhood, they should keep it. Children are naturally wondrous. Things they see are new. Things we see are new, too. We just don't see them as well. Children's literature can help you recover your childhood.
Children's literature is part of our tradition. It's part of our heritage. If you hear a particular title, so for example, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, please don't judge the story solely based on the movie. Read the story itself. Get into the story. When you read Treasure Island, try to smell the salt air. Try to get in the company of these pirates. Feel the boards on the deck of the Hispaniola. Enter that world.
I'd like to invite you to enter into the world of children's literature, because it's the real world, but conditioned by delight.
We live in a wonderful world, and I think that there is beauty around us. And one of the real virtues of reading these stories is to get us to see these things again. I'm Dan Copeland, Professor of Education at Hillsdale College.
I'm David Whalen, Professor of English Literature at Hillsdale College.
Let's begin.